Hey y'all, Pieces of Nika is back, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I do a dark black smoky eye. And this is going to be my first time trying one like this, and I do know that a lot of us women are kind of intimidated by smoky eyes. Me myself, I don't normally do them, but since it is Halloween time, I felt like in my spirit that I wanted to try it out and just see how I would look with a dark smoky eye. So I figured I would just record myself doing this, and y'all are just gonna watch me do a smoky eye on my eye with a dark black gel liner by Black Radiance. And I really love this gel liner, and that's what I'm going to use along with a black eyeshadow. So let's get started. So to save time, I have already put on my foundation and my highlight and a light contour. I've already did my brows, so I'm basically going to be doing eyes and my lips, and the lips are actually going to be black. So I wanted to just black out this whole look. So yeah, first thing I'm gonna do is start on my eye. These are the only two products that we're gonna use for this eye look, and this is my e.l.f. Eyes, Lips, and Face palette. It has all the colors you can ever need and want in here. So we're going to be using this row right over here because I want it to be gray, blending down gradient into the black. So let's see how that's gonna look. And then I'm going to put this Black Radiance gel eyeliner on my eyes and on my lips because I don't own a black lipstick, so I will be using this as my lipstick. Yeah, and I have all the brushes here that I'm going to be using. I'm going to use this to apply the black on my lid. I'm going to use this clean fluffy brush to blend in my crease, and I'm going to use this brush to smoke out the bottom lash line, and I'm going to use this to add the gray to my crease, and I'm actually going to use this one to add just a slight inner corner highlight. These are all the brushes that we'll be using today, along with my lip brush to put that on my lips. So yeah, and these brushes is this is a MAC 252. This one's Color du Jour number 5. These are Wet n Wild, and this one's MAC 222, in case you needed to know. So let's get started, shall we? So the first thing you always want to do is start in your crease. I'm going to put in my crease, let's see, this gray color right here. I'm gonna kind of get close so you can see, and I'm looking in a mirror down here. And so you just want to blend. And I do have a hooded eye, so I really have to bring my stuff up high in order for you to see it, you know? And I'm gonna bring it out a little far out this way so that it can give me like a cat eye effect, like a wing eye effect. And you wanna bring that all the way into your inner corner like so. Yep, so this is looking pretty good. I want it to be gray starting out. Some people use brown or like a burgundy up and through here, and that's not the look I'm going for, even though that is a very beautiful look, but I want it to do gray fading down into the black. So the thing about it is you just have to keep blending until it's almost like it's leaving. When you get to how you think you like it, then we're going to go in with the black. This should not take long for you to do this, but as long as you blend out really good first, once you add the black, that'll be all you need to do. And then you're going to do some more blending, and then your wing liner, your lashes. Then we're going to work on the bottom lash line, and that'll be pretty much it. All right, now the fun part, the black. Kind of nervous about this, not gonna lie. So yeah, I'm trying to debate if I want to wet this brush. Since this is already a cream, I don't think I need to wet the brush, so we're just gonna go straight in with the brush. So we're just gonna go straight in. Try to get as much on there as possible, and then here we go. feel like I look crazy. It looks crazy, but don't worry, we're gonna blend and we're gonna fix it. All right, so now we're going to go over this with a black powder and we're going to blend a black eyeshadow on it. So I'm going to actually go over it with this black eyeshadow right here. And then now we just want to blend. Just get that all blended in there. And I find that what I'm gonna need to get is a brush that's a little bit more firmer than this. This is a MAC 286 SE brush, and it's a little bit more firmer to get in there and really blend out this edge. You really wanna focus on this outer corner and blend that in as much as you can. You even may have to use your finger because it's like it's set. And you know, the fingers blend really good for stuff like this. That's pretty much how it's gonna look. You can just keep blending, but this is pretty much how I need it to be. Bottom now. So what I'm gonna do is, since there was still some left on this brush, I'm gonna take this brush and just kind of run it along there. And we're just gonna go on the bottom. We're going to take a clean one. I'm going to smoke that out. Okay, so we're done with that. And I just kind of go back under the bottom. I didn't have any fallout, as you can see, but I still think I'm going to just go back under the bottom with my powder. And this is the Fit Me powder in 240. And my Real Technique sponge. Just gently kind of just go under the bottom. And then next I'm going to take my Perfusion liquid eyeliner and we're going to make a wing. Next, I'm going to take your eyeliner and I'm going to tightline under your eyelashes. Now we're going to put on our lashes. I'm wearing these lashes by Lady in Butterscotch. Just gonna go over the lash band. I'm going to put some mascara on the bottom and the top. Okay, so the eyes are done. And now we're going to do the lips in black. So let's go. I have my lip brush. I'm using the same gel liner as my lipstick. And it's really creamy going on. Okay y'all, so this is my blacked out smoky eye look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I thank y'all so much for watching. If you're bold, give this look a try. It is Halloween, so we're going dark. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.